According to CNBC, Monster Beverage is actually the best performing stock in the last 30 years. So it's not Apple, it's not Tesla, Monster Beverage. And now let me show you what happened. So we can use Google and then we look for the stock price back in 1994. It was only about 3 cents. Right now though, after 30 years, it's currently about $55.02. So how good of this kind of growth is? It's about $55, but that's not how we do it. In this situation, we should really see the percentage change to understand how amazing this kind of growth is. So how do we do this? I will tell you. We always look for the new price or the current price right here. I'll just put down current. And then minus the old price or the original. So I'll just put down the original here. And when we just do the subtraction, we are only finding the amount difference. To find the percentage change, we will have to divide this by the original. You always divide this by original. Always, always, always. So now let's just work this out. The current price is 55.02 and then minus the original 0.03. And then divide this by the original, so 0.03. Worked out the top first, we will get 54.99 and then divided by 0.03. Use a calculator if you would like, you end up with 1,833. It happens to be a whole number. Okay, this is not easy at all. Do not just say 1,833%, because this right now, it is a whole number. We want the percent, so what do we do? Well, because this is the whole number, it's like we have a decimal point right here. Let's move it twice to the right and attach 2 zeros and then attach the percentage symbol. So in fact, this right here equals 183,300%. And let me read this for you guys by putting a comma right here. We have a 183,300% change. Whew. Isn't this just amazing? So what we are saying is that during this time period, Monster Beverage, the stock price has gone up by 183,300%. Isn't that just amazing? Yes, totally. And now, just imagine if we put $1,000 back in 1994 to invest in Monster. How much will we get right now though? So now, let's figure this out, and I will show you guys 2 ways. The first way is more of a natural way to do it. We have $1,000 and each year it's only 3 cents. So if we just do 1,000 divided by 3 cents, this will give us how many shares that we will have. And now each share is $55.02. So just go ahead and multiply by 55.02. Work this out, you will get, ready? 1 million. I'm serious, $1,834,000. And I'm serious. So if you look at it this way, isn't this super, super, super amazing? Now, let's take a look at the second way. How could we use this right here to figure out this number though? Well, here's the deal. We would like to know how much money would you have right now, right? So remember, we started with what? $1,000. So we start with $1,000. And then we are going to add how much money are we going to gain? This times that. Again, this times that, because it's increased by this much percent. So if you write this back as a decimal form, you will get 1833.00. You always change a percentage back to a regular decimal number, like this, and then you multiply by 1,000. This is how much money we will have gained plus the original amount. Of course, you will also get $1,834,000 as well. Isn't this just purely amazing? Yes, totally. All these are actual numbers that did happen in real life, but it's just that this didn't happen to me.